Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So I have come with the opportunity for civil engineers. So this is the job opportunity for all the civil engineers. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for getting more updates. So what you need to do, first of all go to your Google Chrome and just click to the search panel and write Sri Ganesh Corporation. As you can see, Sri Ganesh Corporation, go and click it here. So this is the vacancy for the civil engineering, so for civil engineers, and no need to worry, it is very useful for them. It is not very tough examination for them. It is an interviewer selections process. So you just go to about us Sri Ganesh Corporation and just go for click it. So you can see this type of panel will open. So you can see Sri Ganesh Corporation. If you go to the down, you can see this is the very good opportunity for civil engineers. So these are their inventories we stock. So these are, so for that what you need to go means, what you need to do means, just go for the join us, just go and click it here. After that, so here you can see this type of panel will open. So in that, the most of the job openings are there. So current opening, so see, these are mainly 5 posts are there for billing planning engineer, junior site engineer, quality engineer, store assistant, and site accountant. So first of all, I am going to tell you about the billing planning engineer. Just go and click read more. So after that, see, this type of panel will open. So it will tell you for billing and planning engineer what they require for the engineer. So minimum 1 to 5 years of experience, minimum BE or equivalent. So if you are MTech preferred, so knowledge of Primavera, if you need to have the knowledge of Primavera software as well as MS Project, that is mandatory. You need to have that knowledge. So a clear understanding of the purpose of the documentation they are preparing, and good English communication skills and interpersonal skills. So after that, some job responsibilities and duties. So what you need to go to do, so if you read thoroughly, that will be better for you. So after that, you can see salary. So salary will be decided based on your interviews. So salary will be decided on the interview time also. So it is negotiable here. So key skills, so what are the skills? So here the site engineering, quantity estimation, rate analysis, AutoCAD, billing engineering, quantity surveying, quantity QS, client billing, BOQ, billing of quantity preparation, construction supervision, planning engineer, and the location will be Surat, Navsari, and Ranchi. So if you are interested, and if you want to apply for the job, so please, and if you have the same criteria, means if you have the same qualification which have been mentioned over here, so you can apply it here. So how you apply, just go email us your resume at here. So hr@Sri Ganesh corp.com. Please mail us your email ID to this. So this is the job application for you. So this is the job vacancy for you. You can apply through this. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and like the video, and thanks for watching this.